Hello, folks. I'm in Sicily, and apparently, I said the word again. I changed career. You will say, which kind of career you doing now? Well, I'm trying to. This is a sewing machine, guys. It's electric. Yeah. Modern age. This is a sewing machine. It's electric. It's my second time I use it. Believe it or not, I'm good. I'm more than good. I could be a stylish. I know it doesn't mean anything, but I know what does it mean. That is important. Well, see what happened. I'm going to show you guys how to use a sewing machine. It's easy, not difficult. You need a bit of concentration, but believe me, guys, it's a piece of cake. Here we go. Put the material underneath the thing. I'm gonna start slowly, because obviously I'm fast. Now this is the fabric. Oh, you don't see much. You can see only my face, which is enough. Because with my face, I can express myself and show you what sewing is all about. This is a material which I'm going to use for my lining. Guys, I'm gonna say something. I've done the wrong thing. I think I just lost the string. It's not the right word, but I lost the string. I'm gonna show you what's happened. I'm gonna give you a bit more details. There we go. Here we go. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. I don't know. I cannot see properly. No, not like that. Ah, here we go. Yeah, I'm here. Underneath here, they got a machine, you see. I'm going to put a hand. I don't know if you can see. Here we go. I lost it, and I'm going to put it back again on track. Is this? It's not my fault. I run out of shrink. No, I ran out, and I'm gonna put back again. You see, guys? Yeah, I didn't tell you what I'm going to do. My project is to make a bag. You know, I'm good on making bags. I don't know if you see one of my bags. No, I don't think maybe. I know I didn't put. I put someone. I put a bag on sale. Put a bag on sale, but it's not the one I made. No, actually, yeah. I put a bag on sale, and here we go done. And well, you can see online. Okay, I put back again as it was. I'm gonna cut on the thing. Yeah. I will become a kind of more confident with the thing and everything. Here we go. Look. It's back down here. So put down up and down. The string, it will come out from the bottom. You know, I cannot see anything yet. Cannot see anything. Let's see if I can show you guys. It's not an easy process. Well, at least for me, I'm not that I don't done much. I can say that. Let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. You see it? You see it, but yeah, my finger quite thick. I cannot catch properly. Yes, I think I get it. Yeah, it's the black one. The red is on the top, and the black one is from the bottom. I sound like kind of coconut, guys, but I'm Italianos. Let's see again if I start again. If yes, there we go. Yeah. So back again on the job, on the game. It's easy, it's peasy, it's Japanese, guys. Woohoo! So it's exciting, it's exciting. Well, I'm excited. Finally, I start to use the machine. Here we go, look at that. I'll start again. This video is a bit, it's not that exciting. Arrivo! Astutalo! Sì, astutalo! Ora arrivo io. That's my mom. That's my mom. Why is not working now? Oh, alright. Alright. See what happened? Well, I need more practice on this machine. You know, I thought it was this easier than meant to be, but I need to do more practice on this kind of sewing skills. I don't have any sewing skills on machine, but I'm doing well so far, I think. See, it's not working. Something wrong in here. Here we go, guys. Yay! Here we go. It's working. It's working. Sewing. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I got it. Whoa! Well done, guys. I'm gonna leave you in your things. What you're doing. Could be smoking. It could be drinking. It could be having a meal, chatting, or watching a movie, or simply on Facebook time, you know, nothing wrong, just chill out. It could be anything, but I'm sure it's not what I'm doing. You could do completely different things. I think I should watch in this way, isn't it? I'm gonna say goodbye, and I'll see you next time, guys. Or